Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Melanie. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So I do have another giveaway for you guys. This is not the huge thank you 10K giveaway. I'm going to be doing giveaways in almost every single video up until then. This is just a really quick one. So I had a set of 6 polishes I'm giving away. And then I'm also giving away another gel polish kit. So this one comes with a UV/LED lamp. It also comes with 2 emery boards. It comes with some really interesting nail gel remover pads. So those are interesting. I didn't open it for sanitary reasons, but those should be fun. And then it also came with a cuticle pusher. So this kit comes with a matte top coat, a regular top coat, and a base coat as well. And then it also comes with 6 gel polishes. So in total, I'll be giving away 12 gel polishes. And I'm going to show you guys a closer look at the polishes in a second. So all of the giveaway rules will be down below in the description. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then leave a comment with your Instagram name and whatever you want to comment. So here are all the colors of the different polishes. I really like these. These are like your nice basic neutral nude pinky colors, and then I also included the bright summer colors in the beginning. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using some straight coffin dual forms. I purchased these off of Amazon, and the link will be down below in the description box. But first, what I'm going to do is measure them out to my nails and make sure that they fit wall to wall. I also did not do prep in this video. If you want to learn how to properly prep your nails, then check out the video that's linked down below in the description box. I'm going to be using this nude polygel. This is by the brand Bellavina Dallas, I believe. I'm going to have links to all of this down below in the description box. But I'm going to be using their slip solution that came with this kit. And I'm going to pour some of this in my heart-shaped glass. So it's really easy. All you do is take a minimal amount of polygel, and I just tap, tap, tap. Make sure that the cuticle area is flushed and make sure that it's thinner than the rest of the nails. I really like these straight coffin dual forms because you can adjust the length to your liking. So even though these straight coffin dual forms are super long, I did a short set today, but it's because you can adjust it. And I also like how there's little lines on it. So if you want all of your nails to be the same length, then make sure you are putting the polygel to the same line. So for this tutorial, I believe I did line 3. From bottom up, I believe I went to the 3rd line. And if you just do all of your nails like that in the dual forms, then you will have the perfect shape, the perfect length nails. I also want to point out that I do have on fingerless gloves. I'm starting to mention this a lot in my videos, but it's very important that you're using some type of UV protection if you do your nails often like me. So whether you use sunscreen or UV light gloves, choice is yours, but I definitely do recommend that, and a link to this will be down below in the description box as well. So it's really easy from here. I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So now I'm gonna go in with some alcohol, and I'm gonna use a lint-free wipe and just wipe my nails down before I begin filing, because polygel can definitely leave a little bit of a sticky residue. I'm gonna go in with a 100-180 grit nail file, and I'm just gonna shape my nails up. I'm going in now with my MelodySusie nail duster. I really love this thing. I do have a discount code for it down below in the description box, but I just filed my nails, but I'm also going to go in with my MelodySusie nail drill and just, you know, really clean up my cuticles a little bit. I went in with this nail bit, but it wasn't a good bit. I switched out my bits in a second here, but I'm just going to clean up a little bit, fix my cuticles, because I didn't get enough polygel from around my cuticles in the first when I first applied them, so I had to do a little bit of cleaning, but all good. And I also went underneath of my nails as well, because oh my gosh, I can't stand when the underneath of my nails are thick with polygel. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I'm just doing some fixing right here. So all I'm going to do now is dust off my nails, and then I'm going to begin doing my design. So I'm going to go in with the same polygel that I use to put the nails on. I was going to squeeze some new polygel out, but then I realized I had an extra on my paper towel. So why waste when you could just use, you know, the excess? So I'm just going to apply a super thin layer of that. I'm really just using this for the stickiness, but I'm going to apply a super thin layer of that to my ring finger. And then I'm using these crystal beads that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'm just using this little nail dipping system. I got this actually off of Shein, and it's super easy. It makes putting on glitters or whatever the case may be super easy, because as you can see in a second, I can actually take this top piece out and keep applying to any spots that may be missing. But I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. I'm gonna go in with the top coat that also came in the kit. Honestly, wasn't too big of a fan of this top coat because it was super thick. I like a top coat that's very shiny but that's thin, because thicker top coats can leave like they can be too thick and they can gap, if you've ever experienced that before. So I like a thinner top coat. But I'm just going to top off my nails, and then my favorite part, the last part, the finale, put some cuticle oil on, and then voila, we're all set and finished. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video, and also thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. Like I said, this is not the big giveaway. I'm waiting for that stuff to come in, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. And today is Thursday, so that means that I will catch you guys on Monday. All right, bye.